When you envision grounding, you probably imagine somebody meditating and walking barefoot in nature. And the truth be told, there's just so much more involved in grounding than just that. In fact, the ultimate grounding experience includes all 5 senses, not merely just putting your feet on the ground and walking barefoot. And if you're new to the science of grounding, earthing, no worries. We're going to give you an overview and give you tips and tricks to help you get started. You're also going to be learning grounding with and without shoes. But first, what exactly is grounding? Also commonly known as earthing, grounding is based on the fact that the earth provides free electrons that can balance the energy of the human body. It's believed that the transfer of electrons from the ground to the body effectively boosts the body's self-healing and self-regulating mechanisms. Inflammation and other medical conditions are caused by free radicals, which electrons can neutralize from various sources, such as antioxidants. Grounding has been shown to have similar health benefits. It's like taking handfuls of antioxidants, but getting it through your feet. Grounding was made popular by several pioneers credited for providing scientific evidence of its health benefits in the 1990s, namely Clint Ober. Clint Ober was really the founder of earthing and 30-year veteran of the cable television industry. Clint Ober pioneered cable modem and satellite distribution of digital services via cable to personal computers. In 1998, he began investigating the effects of electronically grounding the human body to the earth. He has promoted and supported 20 research studies that collectively demonstrated how maintaining the body at Earth's electrical potential reduces inflammation and promotes normal functioning of the body's electrical systems.
But we accidentally disconnected from the Earth.
And unfortunately, nobody realized the downfall or the negative effects being disconnected from the Earth brought. Grounding to the Earth is putting your feet on the ground to connect with specific functions of the organs of the body. It supports the organ systems down to the tissues and the cellular function of the entire body. Nowadays, we don't spend a lot of time grounding, and that may have something to do with our love of shoes. In 1960, we invented synthetic material. The first thing we did is put synthetic rubber soles on the shoes. At that time, we started wearing sneakers. 95% of people are walking insulated on the earth. This is the single thing we did that probably caused the proliferation of inflammation-related health disorders far above anything else. We are all immersed in electromagnetic fields, EMFs, from cell phones, the wiring in your home, and Wi-Fi, and it all disturbs our electrical balance. Inside our bodies, we get electrically charged, but in our natural state, the Earth has a built-in system to ground our body. A famous doctor, Stephen Sinatra, who's a cardiologist, says, "You don't have cancer, you don't have arthritis, you don't have all these health disorders. What you have is chronic inflammation." When you think of inflammation, you think of spraining an ankle, and it balloons up and gets red and sore and inflamed. But that's not what inflammation means. We have so much inflammation in the body, and it comes in illnesses. We go to the doctors with a lot of complaints, but most of it is silent inflammation, including heart disease. So if inflammation is the cause of all these health disorders, and not enough grounding is the cause of inflammation, doesn't it make sense that we should incorporate grounding into our lives? They say that when the body is grounded, you can't have inflammation. When we connect to the earth through a conductive surface in some way, there's a transfer of electrons that slowly goes into our body. And when that happens, the body saturates with electrons practically instantaneously. It's so fast, you can't even measure it. According to Clint Ober's personal story, his pursuit of grounding studies stemmed from his childhood influences growing up on a farm and the experiences of friends who lived on a Native American reservation. Many of their practices seemed odd, like taking shoes off because they make you sick and placing an ill person in the dirt to make them well. As an adult, he realized that his friends' parents had a greater knowledge of nature. Over the past 20+ years, additional scientists have conducted research studies on grounding, confirming numerous health benefits. Some of these benefits include improving various conditions related to chronic pain, sleep, stress, heart rate, blood pressure, digestion, bones, skin, aging, and many more. It even helps with the nervous system of premature babies. Grounding has also enhanced several health and wellness practices such as meditation, massage, and yoga. Many companies have created products designed to help people tap into these benefits in response to these promising study results. Some of these products literally plug you into the Earth's electrical charge. For example, a grounding bed mat has a grounding cable that plugs into the wall, providing a transfer of electrons while you sleep. Products like these eliminate the constant need to go barefoot or lie on the ground, which isn't always practical or feasible. There are so many companies on the internet that you can buy natural shoes or grounding shoes from, or you can take your own shoes and convert them into earthing shoes. This is just an overview of what earthing grounding is and how it could help you. My hope is that everybody go to YouTube and watch the earthing movie and start incorporating earthing into your daily life. The Earth's surface has a virtually limitless supply of mobile electrons that give the ground we walk on, as well as lakes and oceans, a natural negative electrical charge. When you touch your body to the ground, it dispatches static electricity and extraneous environmental electrical charges that are on you. At the same time, you receive a charge of energy in the form of free electrons, and your body synchronizes with the natural frequencies of the Earth. We hope this video sparked a little excitement and a little curiosity inside you to do a little research on earthing and watch the earthing movie on YouTube and see how incorporating this in your life may really help you and could change a lot of things. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it, and we'll see you real soon.